Hi guys, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to explain how many Chainlink I think you'll need to be a millionaire, and I will give my detailed price prediction for the next bull run. I will deep dive into Chainlink's tokenomics, as well as key points to consider and the future outlook for the Chainlink network. I will also discuss the recent success and development of Chainlink and Swift's tokenization experiment and what this means for crypto. Just a quick disclaimer, the information in this video is meant for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About Chainlink. Chainlink is a decentralized cryptocurrency platform that enables companies who are not connected to the blockchain to connect their off-chain data to the blockchain using oracles. Chainlink is known to be called the Web3 Oracle, but what are oracles? Oracles are basically applications that verify information stored off-chain, i.e. from a company or enterprise not on the blockchain, and push this off-chain information on-chain, i.e. to smart contracts running on the blockchain. It can also work the other way around by pushing or sending information from the blockchain to an external source, i.e. to an enterprise off-chain. To put it simply, Chainlink acts as a bridge or link between blockchain companies and off-chain companies, and services smart contracts. The attached diagram taken from the Chainlink website shows how Chainlink connects smart contracts on any blockchain to any input and output. Chainlink is an Oracle blockchain network built on Ethereum and is open source, meaning anyone can view and contribute to the project and its built-in code. Link is the native cryptocurrency token of the Chainlink network and is used as a currency to pay the network operators for retrieving data from smart contracts, and Link is an ERC20 token, which is a standard used for creating and issuing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Chainlink was founded in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, and Chainlink's objective is to be the leading smart contract blockchain network to bridge two environments, both on-chain and off-chain, and the white paper described Chainlink as a decentralized Oracle network. What makes Chainlink special is it can support any blockchain or layer 2 and is currently integrated with well-known blockchains including Arbitrum, Avalanche, Ethereum, Polygon, and many more blockchains. The Chainlink network currently supports sectors including decentralized finance, insurance, gaming, and other industries, and because of its high level of security, it is used by many industry-leading DeFi companies, including Aave and Synthetics, to name just a few. Chainlink's all-time high price at time of recording is $52. Chainlink Web3 Oracle. Chainlink is an Oracle blockchain, and so to better understand it, we need to understand what a blockchain Oracle does. What oracles basically do is enable blockchains and real-world data to connect to each other by pulling or pushing data from a smart contract. The reason blockchains need oracles is to enable smart contracts to interact with off-chain resources, because without oracles, smart contracts can only access data within blockchains themselves. The example diagram taken from the Chainlink website shows how blockchains cannot connect to the real-world data on their own. Chainlink solves this issue. Are there any drawbacks to using oracles? Yes, the main drawback I can see is the use of centralized oracles, whereby data inputs and outputs can be easily manipulated, resulting in insecure data. So for this reason, it's important oracles are decentralized, which is what Chainlink is. This ensures a high level of security for smart contracts end to end. To elaborate on this further, a decentralized oracle network consists of multiple blockchain oracles run by independent node operators who retrieve and validate the data on the network. An example of this is if, say, a smart contract needed the price of Bitcoin USD, it could pull data from a multiple number of Oracle nodes, not a single entity, ensuring the information is fully decentralized to get the result required. What makes Chainlink's Oracle network unique is it consists of highly secure and transparent nodes, meaning all performance data is publicly available for anyone to see on the official Chainlink website. Chainlink supply and tokenomics. Chainlink was launched with a total max supply of 1 billion tokens and has a current circulating supply of around 538 million tokens. The Link token is primarily used as currency to pay the network operators for retrieving data from smart contracts, and the prices paid will vary depending on the market demand at the time. The initial distribution of Link tokens is as follows. 35% is allocated to public token sale, 35% is allocated to node operators and ecosystem, and lastly 30% is allocated to company. To ensure security at all times on the Chainlink network, node operators must stake Link tokens in a smart contract, earning rewards for doing so, and a new Chainlink staking version 0.2 is due to launch by end of Q4 2023, with the aim of opening staking to general public, which isn't currently available. Chainlink staking roadmap. Chainlink is set to launch staking version 0.2 in Q4 2023, with the aim of opening staking to the general public, which isn't currently available with version 0.1. Alongside opening staking to the general public, the latest version will also introduce significant improvements to the overall staking experience. The key goals of the staking program version 0.2 are: greater flexibility for community and node operators, improved security guarantees for in-scope Oracle services, dynamic reward mechanism to support new reward options in the future, including user fees. The rollout of staking program staking version 0.2 will be in 3 phases, as you can see from the diagram taken from the Chainlink official website. Phase 1 will be priority migration. Current stakers will have the opportunity to migrate version 1 staking rewards over to version 0.2. Phase 2 early access. After the priority migration period ends, early access holders will be eligible to stake on version 0.2. Phase 3 general access. After early access ends, staking version 0.2 is open to the general public. The latest upgrade will also feature an expanded pool size to increase accessibility of Chainlink staking to broader audiences, and new configuration changes in version 0.2 will allow future upgrades to be made without full migration required. Key points of Chainlink. Chainlink has several benefits that make it a great blockchain solution, including niche marketplace. Chainlink doesn't compete with Ethereum or Bitcoin. Instead, it assists them by acting as a third layer blockchain and has very few competitors in this decentralized Oracle niche. Bank adoption. Chainlink is in a good position with its technology for when banks start to seriously adopt blockchain technology within the current financial frameworks. It's actually already starting to happen with its partnership with Swift. Experienced founder. Chainlink's founder and CEO Sergey Nazarov brings a wealth of experience and knowledge to the company, having been involved with the blockchain space from the early days. Staking version 0.2. The launch of the staking upgrade due by end of 2023 will enable the general public to stake tokens on the Chainlink network and earn rewards for the first time, adding to its appeal for investors. Chainlink and Swift tokenization experiment successful. Chainlink and Swift announced on the 31st of August 2023 that they had successfully transferred tokenized value across multiple private and public blockchains, which shows how big financial institutions are looking at ways to fully integrate blockchain technology into our everyday traditional banking systems. The findings have potential to remove significant friction, slowing the growth of tokenized asset markets and enable them to scale globally as they mature, the press release said. But who are Swift, who Chainlink have collaborated with? Swift stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications and are one of the key financial networks currently used by the big financial banks to send and receive money transfers. In this experiment, Swift used Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol to connect with different blockchains, and this shows that blockchains can act as a single point of entry for these institutions, which can only be taken as positive progression. This comes after Chainlink and Swift announced in June 2023 that they would be working together with a number of other financial institutions, including Lloyds Banking Group and BNY Mellon, to test how they can connect with multiple blockchain networks. This latest announcement, I feel, pushes us a step closer to addressing the interoperability issues between different blockchains that have hampered the growth of the tokenized asset markets. Something institutional investors believe has the potential to revolutionize asset management in the future. How many Chainlink to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price prediction for Chainlink in the next bull run, let's remind ourselves of Chainlink's previous all-time high price, which was $52. This price gave it a market cap at the time of around 28 billion. On the conservative end of my price prediction, and not financial advice, just my opinion, I think Chainlink could increase its price in the next bull run to $80. This would give it a market cap of around 43 billion. On my very bullish price prediction, and based on the recent results Chainlink has had in its ongoing partnership with Swift, as mentioned earlier in the video, I think Chainlink could increase its price overall in the next bull run to $135. This would give it a market cap of around 72 billion. I believe a price of between $80 and $135 Chainlink is possible in the next bull run. Using CoinStats, a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and the predicted sell price of $80, we can see it would require an investment of $75,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the very high end of our price prediction of $135, you would need an investment of around $45,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. At the $80 price prediction, you would need to buy around 12,500 Link, which is an investment of $75,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. At the very high end of our $135 price prediction, you would need to buy around 7,500 Link, which is an investment of $45,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. Chainlink future outlook. I believe Chainlink's future outlook looks exciting. Its partnership with a number of big banks to the recent development with Swift on a successful transfer of tokenized value across multiple private and public blockchains shows the Chainlink technology is revolutionizing the growth of the tokenized asset market. Also, the fact institutional investors believe tokenized assets are the future for asset management puts Chainlink at the forefront of this possible new development. The Chainlink project's long-term goal is to connect the blockchain industry with traditional institutional financial companies. And with all this said, I think Chainlink have a groundbreaking technology with world-class developers from all around the world working to further push Chainlink adoption. So we'll be watching closely to see how this continues to develop over the next few years. If you like this video, please watch this video next and be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified of when I post my next video. Thank you.